Matram, dear students. Today we will start the first part of Unit 1 of English subject of Standard 8th, and the first part is about the story The Best Christmas Present in the World. So shall we start the story? Okay, so let's start the story now. I spotted it in a junk shop in Bridport, a roll top desk. The man said it was early 19th century and oak. I had wanted one, but they were far too expensive. This one was in a bad condition, the roll top in several pieces. One leg clumsily mended, scorch marks all down one side. It was going for a very little money. I thought I could restore it. It would be a risk, a challenge, but I had to have it. I paid the man and brought it back to my workroom at the back of the garage. I began work on it on Christmas Eve. So, what is here the author telling us? Here the author is telling us that he went in a junk shop in Bridport and saw a roll top desk which was of 19th century. It was made of wood of oak tree. ओक ट्री के वुड से बना था रोल टॉप डेस्क which he wanted, but they were more expensive, and the roll top desk which he selected was cheap, and he wanted it, but it was in a bad condition. Its one leg was clumsily mended. What is clumsily mended? Mended in an awkward and careless way. मेंड किया हुआ पर अच्छे से नहीं. स्कॉच मार्क्स मीन्स बर्न मार्क्स. तो and there were burn marks on one side, and he thought that he could repair it, although it would be risk and challenge, but he wanted to have it. So the author paid for the table and brought it back to his workroom, which was at the back of the garage, and he started to work on it. On which day? On Christmas Eve. I removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawers. The veneer had lifted almost everywhere. So now the author started removing everything of it, every parts of it, and he removed and pulled out the drawers also, and he lifted the veneer. What is veneer? Veneer is a thin layer of plastic or decorative wood on furniture of cheap wood. कोई भी फर्नीचर होता है उसमें लो क्वालिटी का वुड जो यूज़ किया होता है उसे विनियर कहते हैं. So he almost lifted it everything and took out. It looked like water damage to me. Both fire and water had clearly taken their toll on this desk. The last drawer was stuck fast. I tried all I could to ease it out gently. In the end, I used brute force. I struck it sharply with the side of my fist, and the drawer flew open to reveal a shallow space underneath a secret drawer. There was something in there. I reached in and took out a small black tin box. Sellotaped to the top of it was a piece of lined notepaper, and written on it in shaky handwriting, Jim's last letter, received January 25, 1915, to be buried with me when the time comes. I knew as I did it that it was wrong of me to open the box, but curiosity got the better of my scruples. It usually does. So, what happened now? What is this paragraph telling us? The author removed the roll top completely and pulled out the drawer. He took out all its decorative wood and plastic, which was of low quality. It was looking like fire and water had damaged the desk. Then, when he was opening the last drawer, it was tightly shut. So he tried to his best to open it gently, but it was not opening. He could not. So he opened it with brute force. Brute force means its maximum force, how much he can apply his force. उससे जितना दम लग रहा था उतने मैक्सिमम फोर्स से वो खींच लिया उसने. And it was opened. And when it opened, it revealed a secret space. What was there in the secret space? He found a small tin box. On the top of the box, the words that were written were Jim's last letter received January 25, 1915. यानी ये जिम का लास्ट लेटर था जो 25 जनवरी 1915 को रिसीव हुआ था. And to be buried with me when the time comes. Okay. Inside the box there was an envelope. The address read Mrs. Jim McPherson, 12 Copper Beaches, Bridport, Dorset. I took out the letter and unfolded it. It was written in pencil and dated at the top December 26, 1914. So now what happened? When the author took out the box and opened the box, he saw there was an envelope inside the box, and in the envelope the address was written of whom? Mrs. Jim McPherson. Mrs. Jim McPherson का एड्रेस भी लिखा था. और जब लेटर खोला तो उसमें पेंसिल से डेट लिखी हुई थी, December 26, 1914. Okay, so did you all understood the story? Vande Mataram.